Hi students, today we are going to discuss the continuation of our grammar portions chapter 3 determinants page number 23 exercise D. Okay, circle the correct options to complete this poem by Henry Wordsworth Longfellow. So let's look, you have to circle the correct options to complete this poem by Henry Wordsworth D. Under a spreading chestnut tree, under a spreading chestnut tree, the or many village smithy stands. Which one is the correct? Which one we have to circle? The we have to circle there. The smith, a mighty man, is he, with a large and sinewy hands, and the muscles of the or his. Which one we have to circle? His brawny arms are strong as iron bands. His hair is crisp and black and long. His face is like the tan. His brow is wet with the honest sweet. He earns whatever he can and looks. Which one is correct? The wall. Wall or half? Wall is the correct. Wall you have to circle. Half world in the face. For he owns not either or any. Which one we have to circle? Any. We have to circle. Any man. Thanks to thee, my or your worthy friend. Which one we have to circle? We have to circle my, your worthy friend. My worthy friend, for the lesson thou hast taught, that as flaming forge of life, both or our. Which one we have to circle? Our fortunes must be wrought. Thus on its or his. Which one we have to circle? His. Sounding and wit shaped. Several or each burning deed and thought. Which one we have to circle? Each we have to circle. That is a correct form. Each we have to circle. Each burning deed and thought. Hope you have understood. Then let's look at the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with the suitable determinants. Fill in the blanks with the suitable determinants. Reshma, I would like to make a booking for one of. Which determinant we have to add here? Yes, your. The answer is your auditoriums. Our cultural club is organizing dash charity show on charity show on 20th December. Which one is correct? A. We have to add here a charity show on 20th December. Manager, in dash building. In dash building, which one we have to add? In this building. In this building, we have 3 auditorium of different capacities. Reshma, we shall be staging dash show. We shall be staging some shows, and we are proposing to invite dash people for each show. Many people for each show. Which auditorium would you suggest? Manager, I think dash auditorium. I think an auditorium. On dash third floor. On the third floor would be just fine. It can accommodate 500 people. Dash organizers, some or many organizers prefer to dash other two. The other two. Reshma, what is dash procedure for booking it? What is the procedure? The procedure for booking it. Manager, you are required to pay dash amount, an amount of 5,000 rupees in advance. You can pay dash balance of 5. You can pay the balance. You can pay the balance of 5,000 rupees dash a week. A dash week. A week. You can pay which one? 1,000 rupees dash week. A week before the event. Reshma, what are the facilities that you provide? Manager, we shall ensure that sound system, the determinant the is added here. The sound system is of dash best quality, the best quality. We also provide you dash support of 3 executives. We also provide you the support of 3 executives to look after stage management. If you like, we can also arrange for an usher to guide guests to their dash seat, their 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 seats. Hope you have understood. Reshma, that sound perfect. When is dash good time to meet you? When is a good time? When is a good time to meet you next and make dash advance payment? An advance payment. Here an is the determinant we used. Manager, you could come on dash working day. You could come on any working day between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Jeshma, thank you. Jeshma, thank you. Then let's look at the next exercise F. Then tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. You have to only tick the correct option in your textbook. Amol, could you give me much or some water, please? Which one you have to tick? Amol, could you give me much or some water, please? Which one is the correct? You have to tick. You have to give some. You have to tick some water, please. Next one, that or every. Tall lady is our science teacher. Which one is the correct? That. You have to tick which one? You have to tick that. You have to tick that. Then we went over last night and visited a few friends. Which one is the correct? A few friends. A few friends. These mangoes from Ratnagiri are delicious. Which one is the correct? These mangoes from Ratnagiri are delicious. Manish does not like either or neither shirt. Which one is the correct? Either. EITHER. Either shirts. Then you can buy this board game at any or many toy store. Which one is the correct? Any. 6th one, any. Then 7th one, I had a few biscuits and a 2 glass of milk. Then first one, which one? I had a few biscuits and a or 2. Which one we have to add? A glass of milk. Second one in the 7th portion, it is a few and a. 8th one, there are many or lot of places that you can visit in Delhi. Which one is the correct? You have to take many. For 8th one, you have to take many. The mountaineers must carry more or enough food to last them for 3 days. Which one is correct? Enough. You have to take enough for the 9th one. The mountaineers must carry enough food to last them for 3 days. Then mother takes little or most sugar in her tea. Which one it is the correct? Your mother takes little sugar in her tea. Okay, hope you have understood. Then moving to next exercise, insert determinants wherever necessary and rewrite this sentence. First one, it is done for you. Young seagull was alone on ledge. A young seagull was alone on the ledge. Next one, brothers and sisters had already flown away a day before. Brothers and sisters had already flown away day before. First one, what we have to write? His brothers. His. First one we have to add his brothers, and you have to write it in your textbook itself. His brothers and sisters had already flown away the day before. His brothers and sisters had already flown away the day before. Then Seagull had been afraid to fly with them. Seagull had been afraid to fly with them. What is the third answer? This seagull had been afraid to fly with them. The seagull had been afraid to fly with them. Fourth one, somehow when he had taken a run forward to bring a ledge and attempted to flap wings, he became afraid. What is the answer? Fourth answer, somehow when he had taken a run forward to, which article we have right? The brink of the ledge and attempted to flap his wings, he became afraid. Once more, somehow when he had taken a run forward to the brink of the ledge and attempt to flap his wings, he become afraid. Then fifth one, sea stretched down beneath and it was such a long way down, miles down. What is the answer? The sea stretched down beneath. The sea stretched down beneath and it was such a long way down, several miles down. Then sixth one, he felt certain that wings would never support him. So he bent head and ran back to hole under the ledge where he slept at night. He felt certain that his wings would never support him. So he bent his head and ran back to the hole under the ledge where he slept at night. He felt that his wings would never support him. So he bent his head and ran back to the hole under the ledge where he slept at night. Seventh one, each of brothers and sisters ran to bring flapped wings and flew away. Then what is the answer? Each of his brothers and his sisters ran to the brink, flapped their wings and flew away. Each of his brothers and his sisters ran to the brink, flapped their wings and flew away. Then seagull failed to muster enough courage to take plug. This seagull failed to muster enough courage to take the plunge. This seagull failed to muster enough courage to take the plunge. Then young seagull parents had come around, calling him shrilly, threatening to let him starve unless he flew away. What is the answer? The young seagull parents had come around. Calling him shrilly, threatening to let him starve unless he flew away. The young seagull parents had come around. Calling him shrilly, threatening to let him starve unless he flew away. Then, but for life of him, he could not move. But for the life of him, answer, but for the life of him, he could not move. Then, insert suitable determinants wherever necessary. So, Salim Ali, age. So, you have to look at the age. Salim Ali. Who is Salim Ali? He was one of the ornithologists, bird observer. Salim Ali was one of the greatest Indian naturalists. So you have to add here, Salim Ali was one of the greatest Indian naturalists, a well-known ornithologist, ecologist. You have to insert the articles here, okay? A well-known ornithologist, ecologist, teacher, writer, and dash explorer. You have to write in your textbook as an explorer. In 1941, Salim Ali published the Book of Indian Birds, which was highly appreciated and widely read. He also wrote the 10-volume handbook of birds of India and Pakistan. He wrote it with the help. He wrote it with the help of zoologist S. Dillon replied. The royalties that he received from the book helped him pay off his older debts. Later in life, as his earning increased, he generously granted scholarship to students. In 1976, Salim Ali received the J. Paul Getty Award for conservation leadership worth rupees $50,000. Salim Ali was also awarded Padma Vibhushan and 3 honorary doctorates. He made an incredible contribution in the fields of ornithology and ecology. He also wrote an autobiography titled The Fall of Sparrow. He also wrote an autobiography titled The Fall of Sparrow. Then language across the curriculum. Insert, replace or remove articles and write the necessary. So then a molecule. What is it? A molecule is a smallest piece. You have to cut the smallest piece and insert there അതായത് അവിടെ എ എന്നാണ് കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. എ സ്മോളസ്റ്റ് എന്നാണ് കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. അവിടെ എ നമ്മളത് എ അല്ല ചേർക്കേണ്ടത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് എ ഒന്ന് ഇതിടുക, ക്രോസ് ചെയ്യുക, വിട്ടുക. അതിന് പകരം അവിടെ എന്ത് ചേർക്കണം? ദ ചേർക്കുക. സ്മോളസ്റ്റ് പാർട്ടിക്കിൾ ഓഫ് എ സബ്സ്റ്റൻസ് ദാറ്റ് ക്യാൻ എക്സിസ്റ്റ് ആൻഡ് സ്റ്റിൽ കീപ് എ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസ്. എ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി അല്ല, എ അവിടെ ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്യുക, കട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. ഇൻസേർട്ട് അതിന് പകരം ദ ചേർക്കുക. ദ യു ഹാവ് ടു ഇൻസേർട്ട് ദ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസ് ഓഫ് ദ വോൾ. For example, if you break down a molecule of sugar, the elements would not have a cut ചെയ്യുക, അതിന് പകരം എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക? ദ ചേർക്കുക. The characteristics of ദ കട്ട് ചെയ്യുക, ദ അവിടെ വേണ്ട, അത് ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്യുക. The sugar to its taste or its color among other things. In some gases such as ദ കട്ട് ചെയ്യുക, ഇവിടെ ദ ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്യുക. കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലേ? ഇവിടെ ദ ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. ദ ഹീലിയം ദ ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്യുക, സച്ച് ആസ് ഹീലിയം. ആൻഡ് ദ നിയോൺ, ഇവിടെ ദ ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്യുക, ഇവിടെ ദ ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്യുക, അത് വേണ്ട അവിടെ. നിയോൺ എ മോളിക്യൂൾ കൺസിസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ഓൺലി 1 ആറ്റം. ഇവിടെ ദ എന്താണ്? ദ നമ്മൾ ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്യുക. സം മോളിക്യൂൾ കണ്ടെയ്ൻ 2 or more atoms of, ഇവിടെ എന്താണ്? എ ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്യുക, എ വേണ്ട. ഇൻസ്റ്റെഡ് ഓഫ് ദാറ്റ് എന്താണ് പകരം അവിടെ? നമ്മളവിടെ ദ ചേർക്കുക. ദ സെയിം കൈൻഡ് എ മോളിക്യൂൾ ഓഫ് ഹൈഡ്രജൻ, ഇവിടെ എന്താണ്? ദ വേണ്ട. മോളിക്യൂൾ ഓഫ് ദ ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്യുക. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ ഈസ് മേഡ് അപ്പ് ഓഫ് 2 atoms ഓഫ് ദ ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്യുക. ഹൈഡ്രജൻ ദ ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്യുക. ദെൻ next worksheet, we are going to discuss about the worksheet, page number 27 to 28. Then accept all relevant responses. Then insert the work with your partner. Write 4 questions in your notebook about the photo. Your partner will write the answer to the question. So yeah, that you have to do it by yourself. Then B, the national movement grow. Insert article wherever needed in the passage. The national movement grows stronger after dash formation. There you have to insert the formation. നിങ്ങൾ അവിടെ എന്താണ്? ദ ചേർക്കുക. എന്താണ്? ഫോർമേഷൻ ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യൻ നാഷണൽ ആർമി. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ബോൾഡിൽ കാണുന്നതെല്ലാം നിങ്ങൾ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിൽ ചേർക്കേണ്ടതാണ്. അത് നിങ്ങൾ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിൽ തന്നെ എഴുതി ചേർക്കുക. ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യൻ നാഷണൽ ആർമി INA, പോപ്പുലർലി നോൺ ആസ് ദ ആസാദ് ഹിന്ദ് ഫൗജ്. An important role on its formation was taken by the Indian Independence League, an association formed by Rash Bihari Bose. The INA consists largely of the Indian prisoners of war who were staying the British and had captured by the Japanese during the Second World War. Some Indians settled in Southeast Asia and also joined this army, raising its strength to over 45,000 soldiers. In 1943, the leadership of the Azad Hind Fauj came in the hand of Subhash Chandra Bose, popularly called Netaji. On 21st October 1943, he declared the formation of the Provisional Government of Independent India in Singapore. He went to the Andamans and hosted the Indian flag there. In 1944, the Azad Hind Fauj attempted to enter India through the northeast route. Netaji also took up help to Japan to organize an anti-British revolt. Women also joined his army in large number and a separate women regiment called the Rani Jhansi Regiment was formed. So a regiment was formed. Okay. So okay students, after that no. Then that is a puzzle that you have to find out by yourself. Okay students, hope you have understood. Thanks for watching the video.